Don you to go. on you to go. On you to go. On you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go.
Uh-oh. Chat. Surely not. We're back. We are fucking back, chat. I'm excited for this one, I can't lie. I'm excited, chat. How have you guys been? Let's get it going. Holy. Holy. Hang on, wait, I need to do something here. What can I do? Wait. Boom, 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 boom. Chat, let's get hyped for this one, man. I'm super fucking pumped to be back. I missed you guys. What song can I play? I need that. I've got some copyright music here, fuck it. Let's get it going, chat. I'm excited for this one. It's gonna be a good fucking stream. FOMC week as well. And we are back, chat. Let's get it fucking going. I'm excited for this one. Holy. How you guys been, chat? I missed you guys so much. About to is crazy from you, Danny. What is good? I need that grease. Chat. How was everyone's week last week? I know I've been gone for a while, but it's time for us to get it locked back in, man. I'm super fucking excited for this one. Hopefully, let's put this back on. Hopefully we can make some serious bread this week. We've got FOMC, a lot of opportunity coming into the market right now. So chat, let's get it going. Let me get everything set up real quick. It's been a while. I feel rusty, man. There he is. What's good, Jar? What's good, Victory Settings? Afla Trading. Danny's here. King Woods. Tony. Ewan. Where's my blood clot AC remote? All right, we're back. We are back. Missed hearing your voice, bro. Sounds so deep and intense. It's crazy. Cake is insane as well. I see, chat, you guys haven't changed, eh? Nah, man, listen, I'm super gassed to be back here. I missed you guys very, very much. Why is my head cut off? That's what I want to know. Someone tell me. Oh, there you go. Give myself a little bit more room here. Nice. All right, chat. So, it's Monday right now. Last week, obviously, chat, I was in London, right? So I wasn't streaming at all. We are currently back. I actually passed 300k worth of funding last week. So maybe, chat, maybe I should just never stream again. Maybe I should just be like, fuck you guys, I'm out. Nah, I would never do that. You guys know me. But look, a lot of opportunity here today, chat. A lot of potential for us to catch some positions. We're doing the great lock-in coming into Q4, so let's do an analysis real quick. I don't know why I'm on NQ right here. Oh, I tell you why, because NQ actually looks okay. Gold looks washed. But, yeah, let's get it going. What's good, Blizzy, as well? So, chat, yesterday weekly closed bullish right now. We have essentially a bottom wick on gold right now, which is pretty sick. This is a liquidity grab, 100%, right? We should see a continuation up, especially with with everything that's been going on in the political space, economic space, etc. We've had some unfortunate stuff going on in America. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. So yeah, realistically, I think gold pushes up here. You got a daily time frame as well that closed bullish above the most recent. This one's currently just the bottom wick, no top wick. 4 hour close bullish. So dropping on the 1 hour, I think, chat, all we're gonna need to see really is a breakout above these, above 83.5 to take us up towards 95 is going to be so clean there, chat. I think that's going to be super, super nice. And then if we can get if you do come back down, we're looking at like 70 as a level here, maybe even a bit lower, 69.2 for a closure below to take us down towards that area of 55 for the sells. But in reality, chat, all we should be looking for is actually that nice little position after we close up above here, which is going to be very nice. I have been trying to trade NQ a little bit recently, to be truly honest. It's been going well. NQ is actually a very nice pair to trade. But chat, let's see what happens here, man. We got, a lot of opportunity. A lot of opportunity on gold. Like I said, just wait for this one little closure above, and then we are going to be good to go. As long as you get some liquidity being grabbed, I don't see why you wouldn't have a nice little position here. So, do we have news today? I don't think we do, right? Yeah, we have orange folder in an hour. But that shouldn't really play too much of an impact, right? You shouldn't really be that bothered. I don't think it's going to do much. Straight break or Asian sweep lows. As soon as one of them happens, it's go time. Where's Asia lows? Oh, yeah, okay. I see that. Had a good holiday? Yeah, Blizzy, man, it was good. It was good, chat. I'll tell you about that in a second. But yeah, I think, Ja, you're right, bro. If you sweep those lows, that's crazy. Even a sweep of these lows, I think, should be fine. But honestly, once you start to close above here, we are going to be good to go. We are going to be good to go. Holy. But chat, most importantly, how the fuck have you guys been? What you guys been up to? Miss you, bro. Missed you too, Gaminado. Chat, I missed you all. How was your guys' week last week? Did you survive without the streams? Sure you guys got through just okay. Must have been an interesting week. I think PA last week was very, very good, though, to be honest. PA was nice. I was barely trading, but when I did look at it, it was always just a setup, which is kind of weird. I didn't really trade. I wanted to take a week off trading, right? But then every now and then, I'd look at the charts, and yeah, buys were just printing. So my lunch breaks were boring without stream. Hey, you and I appreciate it, man. You are China. I'm not sure I am. I'm not sure that I am. You're China. Actually, I bought it on Friday, but still BE. Good stuff, I know. Yeah, as long as you stay BE. I mean, even if you took an L, right? As long as you stick to your plan, you're good. Hey, what's good, Kaiser? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good? My bad, chat. I just got a fucking text message. Daily wants to flip bullish and drive so bad. I agree. Buys are looking very nice here. To take us up towards all-time highs, definitely. The question is, though, does it want to happen before before FOMC? Or does it want to happen, towards the end of the week? Because that could very well happen, Oh, not this guy.
Chat.
Hello, chat.
I'm returned, man.
He's returned. He's returned to ruin the locked-in stream. Yeah. Every single time you turn up, we get whack PA. Yeah. Just saying. Where's Smart yet? Chat. Oh shit, by the way, Apex has a sale on right now. I forgot to tell you guys. Currently, Apex has a big ass sale. $36, 50K funded account. Wait. Apex account. Code TRLS. Kaiser says, Tom, get a job.
Mate, I'm professionally unemployed.
Professionally unemployed. I don't. Wait, speak.
Hello?
I don't think you can hear him when he speaks, right, chat? I have to get you mic'd up.
I need a chair. I'm all sitting on that stool, though.
Bring the stool. You can? Oh, okay, cool. All right, good. The guy in the background should leave his job and trade. He should do that. He should. Yeah, he already has. What's good, Mighty Meat? How's it going, brother? I'm Punjabi. Thank you, bro. Thanks for letting me know. I'm China, you're Punjabi. Good. I think you spelled it wrong as well, isn't it? With Punjabi. Chat. He needs a mic. Yeah, we do need to get him a mic. I can't lie. But listen, man, we got the strawberry monster, which means we're gonna get a nice position here. It's gonna be a sick week, chat. Me and Tom are doing the great lock-in vlog. You guys are gonna see that shortly. End goal of this month is to get a mil in funding, right? I'm pretty close to a mil in funding. So hopefully we can do that on the streams as well. I was like, huh, who's the strawberry monster? I'm the strawberry monster. Yeah, to be fair, you're not wearing a wife beater on stream. That's actually the rules.
I don't want to.
Hey, it was good, Abdullah.
Oh, great.
Ja, it's because he hasn't unlocked the physique for a wife beater yet. You have to get to a certain level of like gym physique in order to actually wear a wife beater, and you're just not quite there yet.
I'm not trying to mock you in front of you people.
Hey, what's good, Jay? What's good, Sam Meat as well? Chat, how we doing, man? I'm excited for today. It's gonna be good. A lot of potential here. He's so back. Oh my god, he's so back. How was London though in the end? It was so weird being back in the UK. I can't lie. But chat, I'm working on a little secret project. I think you would have saw if you saw my story. Secret project, and yeah, I spent most of my week in London in the UK doing that, and then saw some family. I also went to Germany for a couple of days. Germany's, I mean, where my girl lives in Germany is really, really nice. Like, it's actually beautiful. But I'm so glad to be back in Cyprus. Like, literally after 2 or 3 days out of the country, I could not wait to get back. But look, chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. You gotta have a visible gap between trap and pec. Yeah. You gotta have some shoulder veins popping out, minimum. Caught 24 pips this morning. Stream was gonna be in the background, but now I have to watch Tom. Bro, you got some admirers.
I'm a fan favourite, man.
Fan favorite. It's crazy work. They all just fuck it, I don't even have a joke.
They just turn up to see me, man.
Yeah, maybe. Tom's getting close to 150k funding too, chat. We're doing the great lock-in. As I said, the goal for me is to get to a mil funding. The goal for Tom's to get to 150k. Why is everything Tom does so clean? Holy glaze. Chat, my trading view's not working. Ja, by the way, congrats. I saw your little message. Not little message. I saw your message in the Discord. That's a fucking monster payout. Chat, you guys are killing it recently. I swear to God, I don't even need to be here. I've literally just laid down the foundations of what TRLS is, and you guys carry it through even when I'm not there. Payouts coming in left, right, and center. Funded certificates. All of them ones, man. It's fucking crazy. Absolutely insane stuff. What's going on here? Chat, by the way, if you're not in the Discord already, make sure you are. And if you haven't dropped a like, make sure you run up the streams, because obviously I took a week off. Normally we have a little bit of a down period after the week off, whenever I've taken it in the past. So let's just run it up. Show some love, show some support. We can try and help out as many people become profitable as possible, right? That's the end goal. And make a couple milli, right? Is Q4 usually positive for gold? I would assume not, since people sell their investment. Q4 is normally good for trading, right? Q4 has been my best trading quarter throughout my entire trading career, right? What's good, Only Focus? How's it going, brother? Welcome back. 15-minute close respecting the level here, chat, by the way. Holy skibbity. So, chat, let me give you a rundown of what I'm trading, because recently, or at least for this next quarter, I think I'm going to go transition towards funded account only, right? And the reason being, I want to try and be very aggressive with my risk and try and milk this next quarter. What's good, Willu? So, currently, chat, I have... this could be a good... So, in terms of my current funding, right, I have 150k with Tradeify. I have 350k with Apex, but I also have 5 evals that are like 1% off. So hopefully I'm trying to get that to like 600k apex minimum. And then I have 50k top step, which is as well with 4 avals that are 2% off. And then I have 100k GFT, and then that's it for all my like live funded capital. And then I have 200k times 2 with alpha, and obviously these avals right here. So chat, currently what's that? 150, 500, 550, 650. It's currently 650 funded. Then if I pass all of these avals, that's going to be, what's that? 900, 1.1 mil. So if all goes well, by the end of the next week or month, we'll be over a mil funded, 1.1 mil funded, which is going to be sick. And then that's pretty much a minimum. And then I rotate into trying to get, you know, serious payouts with them, right? I wanted to pass them all first before trading them. But that's what we're looking at right now, chat. It's going to be pretty good. I'm excited. I took a step back from trading last week. I decided I'm going to trade demos to the end of the month. I have one account that has 4% and needs 8% and 5% to pass. So I'm going to take it slow. Good shit, Danny. Yeah, that sounds good, my bro. I've been hobbying with a trading automation in MT5 and I've now landed a job programming for a capital fund. Holy shit, good stuff. Maybe you can program for me. Make me an EA. But yeah, chat, we're coming close to a mil funding, which is gonna be pretty sick, I can't lie. Super fucking hyped for it. All right, nice. Almost 9k. Yeah, chat, we're nearly at 9k subs. That's true. Pretty close. I can't lie, I dropped a really good video a couple of days ago, which is sick. But then I've got a lot more coming, man. Congratulations on 1 mil funding. I'm not there yet, bro, but I appreciate it. Yeah, 1 mil funding is going to be sick. Because then, chat, 1% is 10k, right? You get a nice little 3-4% payout. You're sitting nicely at like 30-40k payout, which is crazy. More balcony vids. I dropped a balcony vid the other day, right? Oh no, I dropped one in the UK as well. I dropped a raw vid from the UK in the back of my fucking Seat, not in the back, in the front of my Seat Ibiza, which is kind of interesting. I think that was a really good vid. But yeah, I will be dropping more balcony vids 100%. It's my manifestation for you, brother. I appreciate it, Sammy. Appreciate it. Chat, yeah, these are sick videos. Make sure you watch them if you haven't already. I'm gonna like my own post, why not? Video was insane timing because I was forcing shit way too much last week. Good shit, I know. It's funny how those raw videos always come out at the same, like at the time you exactly need it, right? But chat, by the way, 60 viewers on the stream, I appreciate it. But make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Only 18 likes. We can get to at least 50 right now. That'd be huge. Also, I forgot to mention, well, actually, no, I didn't forget to mention, but I'm going to mention, I have a huge project coming, right? It's going to probably take a couple of months till I'm able to release it. I just want to let you guys know, I'm about to drop something that's going to be game changing. All right, so make sure you have notifications on the YouTube for when I drop that. Honestly, it's going to be an absolute screamer. Live for the voice, good silent. How's it going, brother? I can make you an EA for sure. We can do a quick Zoom call if you're serious about it. I don't really know how you'd put my strategy into an EA, to be honest. SG's cooking? Yeah, bro, I'm always cooking, man. Little teaser. I can't even give you a teaser yet. Are you releasing a movie? I don't know, bro. We'll see. Maybe a nice Sky Dweller. I don't want to take sales here, chat. I don't like sales. Daily's so bullish, etc. I need your help, dude. Should I learn more strategy to have more entries? Because I only have 2 setups. Makes me no trade for today. I was hoping for 1 or 2 trades. Nah, bro. You don't need more entry models. Genuinely, some of my students who have been the most successful have been trading off 1 or 2 entry models. You don't need any more than that. You literally trade like...
Just breakouts.
Yeah, Tom just trades breakouts and like that got him funded pretty quickly. In fact...
I take like the occasional Sky Dweller, but... yeah, maybe just breakouts.
How long have you been trading?
End of June.
So Tom started at the end of June. So wait, you've been trading like 2 months?
Yeah. But to be fair,
And he's already funded.
a month of that was the learning. Like
Yeah.
in terms of like actually like logging onto TradingView and actually trading.
But that is very quick.
It's only really been a month, like 5 weeks at the most.
That's pretty crazy.
It was quite good.
See chat, 1 entry model. Using TRLS is all you need. Just saying. Just saying. Wait, let me delete this. I don't need this shit. How do I delete this? There you go. All right, cool. Damn, that's good. Yeah, chat. Well, this is what I'm saying, right? Like, if you have a mentor who like knows what he's doing, and you actually put in the work, like it's not like I just told Tom what to do and he did like basically just knew. He's like putting in hours, back testing, etc. It's so easy. You can become profitable so quickly. Tom's gonna drop his day one and start his own group.
Almighty switch up.
The switch up of dreams. I'd have to beat you up if you did that.
Yeah, that would not be.
I actually would have to beat you up. I'm not being funny. It'd have to be internet beef. So it's better to be a master of one other than the jack of all trades? Yeah, 1000%, right? I think that you know that. I'm up 6% on my alpha. Good shit, Jay. The way trading changes lives is crazy. Yeah, it's insane. The camel pattern. Nah, chat, you know we're printing a Bart Simpson right now. It's unfortunate, but we are clearly printing a Bart Simpson right here. All you're going to see is this right now. Little eye here and an eye here, and that's the Bart Simpson. It's unfortunate. What's NQ doing? Chat, I'm tempted to start trading NQ on stream, I'm not going to lie. Tom will be a professor in the TRLS community soon? Maybe. Chat, seriously, what if we make a milli right now? Like, what if we just made 10 mil? You'd never know.
I'd retire.
Nah, I wouldn't.
I'll retire on 10 mil.
I don't think you could retire off 10 mil.
Well, how much is that a year? If you live off 100k a year.
4% interest is what, like 300k?
If you put
400k, am I retarded?
If you put £1 million in an ETF and you got 10% return, you're getting 10 grand a month off that. If you've got 10 mil, like let's say you put 5 mil, that'd be 50 grand.
Nah, honestly, if you make 10 mil, you just go to the casino and put it on roulette. Like you would put at least 50% of it, 5 mil on red, and if you come out, you've still got 5 mil.
Yeah. You could have a whole lot more though.
Yeah, but if you double it,
Well, how many doubles away are you from a mil? If you start with £1, isn't it? It's only 10 doubles.
is it 32 doubles from a pound to a mil? Something like that, right? Chat, what's the answer? Like those guys know. How many doubles from 1 to a million? I think it's 32 or something.
Yeah, that's easily done.
Oh my god, I don't need the fucking complex formula. Wait, my grandpa did it? It's 32? No shot, your grandpa did it. You know how improbable or unprobable? Improbable that is. Calculator. Right, 1 times 2. That's 1, 2. Wait, why the fuck doesn't it go again? That's so gay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, fuck. 5. I can't do it. This is retarded. I'm actually losing brain cells right now. Yes, it's 32. I knew it. Chat, NQ breaking out right now. Maybe we start trading NQ honestly on stream. Gotta do some voodoo for it to land. Honestly. Chat, what do you think? Do you have a better chance of full porting an account and making money or going to the casino? I genuinely think there's a much higher chance that, like, if you had like 10k and you wanted to gamble it, you put it into a broker account and just flip the shit out.
Trust full port on it because you have like some level of control over the outcome.
So what you're telling me, chat, is it's better to full port than to go to the casino, right? Maybe. Alex G did it. Alex G trades on his own broker, so you can never trust anyone who does that. Stop buy and stop sell news. You can't do that on Forex though. You'd have to be on futures and then you'd have to deposit into a live account. I wonder if people do that with actual real money, because I feel like you'd get slipped. House always wins. You need to become the house, chat. Listen, man, we've got 2 minutes here, chat, to the hourly close. If you close above, it's going to be so nice. Casino's definitely more fun. 1000%, bro. 1000%, because you don't see that number fluctuating up and down. Like, full porting would be so stressful. Casino is also fun as well. Like, 2 log 1M. Bro, I did not do maths at anything higher than A level, so don't chat to me about log and anything like that. How was your CPI and PPI? I wasn't trading. I didn't trade last week. I only traded like avals basically. Full porting with the boys would be fun. Full porting would be fun if it was money. Like, for example, if I full ported like $100 or $1,000 or whatever that I didn't like really care about losing, then that would be fun. But if you're full porting your entire net worth, that would not be fun. That would just be unbelievably stressful. Any giveaways? Holy, Mr. Giveaway. Chat, we have a competition running with GoFunded right now. If you want to enter that, just go over to my Instagram. That's how you enter. For right now, I'm not doing any giveaways. I'm doing it every day. Fuck. I'm done for the day. I got my 50 pips. I'm going gym. Have a good stream, bro. All right, Silent, in a bit, man. Congrats on the 50 pips. Thanks for the 50 bits. I forgot to announce the stream. Let me put that in the Discord. All right, there you go. Chat, did anyone get any trades today, though? Anyone get any positions? Should we show them the daily non-negotiable?
Oh yeah, do you want me to get it?
Yeah. Chat. Yeah, the next hourly should be good. I mean, you got comics open here in about 20 minutes. 1 loss, 1 win. B, nice. That's okay. Trend trader, whoa. Whoa. This guy's stealing my flow. Trend trader.
Wait, any full scoop there?
No, not yet. I love the name. Got to respect it. What about to sell NQ right now as we're on resistance? I wouldn't sell NQ, bro. All of these assets are bullish as fuck. Like, everything's bullish right now. Book 90 pips, nice. Chat, wait. Me and Tom are doing the lock-in challenge. Wait, should we show him? It's gonna be on the vlog.
Yeah, no.
All right.
It's only like a small segment.
All right, we've got daily non-negotiable. So for the next like month, we're gonna be doing these things here, which is everyday gym plus cardio, eating clean plus 4 liters of water, trade London and NY, which is crazy because I barely trade London. Vlog everything, make a short form content.
Minimum, one a day.
And we got some really good financial goals here, chat. Make bread. That's the most important thing there. The goal is make bread.
Yeah.
If that's not your goal, chat, I don't know what you're doing.
We need to do our weigh-in as well.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do like a weigh-in and like a physique transformation as well. Because right now, we've both been slacking on gym. Like my diet and everything has been completely whack.
Yeah, honestly, in the last month, I don't think I went gym more than 7 times.
I can see it's crazy, you know. I also got a blood test this morning, chat. So I'm gonna share with you guys like. I just fucking zoned out. I just zoned out.
Waiting for you to say something from that.
I literally just zoned out halfway through that sentence. Why'd you take it for test? I just want to know where I'm at. 4 liters of water blow your kidney. 4 liters of water is relatively decent per day. That's like a good amount, especially in Cyprus. Easily quantifiable goals. Did you make bread? Yes or no? Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I can't believe I just zoned out like that, chat. I barely do that. The hourly close like week. Oh, bro, can you give me some of that?
What's right?
Yeah, I stink right now. How much to live with you, like Tom, for mentorship?
Melly Marley.
Tom's paying me 10 bands a week to live with me. He's not. No. I just gassed myself out. I can't lie.
That one's well nice. Smells delicious.
Oh, yeah. How much to live with? If you wanted to do that full time, right? If you wanted to come live with me as a mentor, I reckon 10K a month and we could do it. Pay me 10K a month. You can come stay with me and I'll teach you one-on-one.
Get TRLS content house.
Yeah. Hey, what's good, Raze? How's it going, brother? So if anyone wants to come live at the TRLS house and learn every single day, 10K a month. After coming back from a holiday to Bali, I'm on coconut water shit. I'm telling you, yeah, coconut water is good. Coconut water is good, I can't lie. The electrolytes are the one. To be fair, that's the main thing. Like, rather than just drinking water, you gotta make sure we like. Because I bought electrolyte powder as well. I always do that, but.
Do you have some in the house?
Yeah. It's so good. It's actually elite. Feels good to be back, chat. It does feel really fucking good to be back, man. I'm super hyped. Super hyped. I can't wait to lock in. I mean, we are locked in right now. Unfortunately, gold's doing absolutely shit all right now. Oh, you know what we haven't done as well? Get this on the board. Get that up there so that people know. And then we can do something like this. Yeah, classic. Chat, I've started to notice as well. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but there's recently been a swing towards negative RR trading again. On social media, I've seen a lot of people pop up saying, yeah, I started trading negative RR. It's like, oh shit, did you? It's almost like I've been saying that for the past 10 years, bro. This shit works so well. Do you want to do a segment on stream?
What's that for segment?
I don't know. Do you want to mark up NQ or something?
Well, I can show them what I'm looking
When I go to the MGC chart, I have the big blue vertical bars. Any idea how to get rid of them? Yeah, you right click, go to settings, and then you go to session, and then you go here, Danny, and then you go opacity to 0, and then that's it.
To be fair, we are breaking out on NQ right now. Or at least where I have my levels here.
Alright, chat, Tom's gonna do an analysis. I'll be back in a sec.
You've not got the same settings as me though.
What do you mean?
Like, cause I use the fib, the retracement. I'm trying to put them onto that, but he won't listen to me. My levels are, where's his tools? Got them up here. What have I got? 24,145. Oh my god. Wait, his mouse sensitivity is cooked, holy. I'm actually struggling. And then I have 24,107. Sam, what is your mouse sensitivity? I'm like struggling to do small adjustments. Wait, let me make this bigger actually. But it's like I'm playing like an aim trainer or something. I'm trying to move it slowly.
Is that high sense?
No, it's like, it might just be your mouse mat, to be fair. It's like super high resistance.
What?
Wait, 24,145.
Don't look at your chart, that's cheating.
Nah, cause, wait, have you got the?
Just do the standard TRLS breakdown.
This is terrible. I feel like I'm not really engaging with chat here. I'm sort of just like, I'm just talking to myself.
Chat, he doesn't rate you, basically.
I'm like a schizophrenic right now.
Do a 360.
Wait, do you have the?
Right, get out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna start.
Get out!
You need to start using this thing, man. You need the correct settings though.
How dare this guy come onto my fucking stream and put a Fibonacci? That is actually ridiculous.
Wait, let me call out the reversal zone for the day, and then we can all come back and be like, this guy knows what he's talking about. Where's your camera? Shift.
This guy is doing the classic. Gets funded using my concepts and tries to complicate it even further.
I don't know if you can see this. Is that going to focus?
Wait.
Oh, it's not.
It will focus. It will focus.
Nice. My chart colours are too light.
There you go.
Wait, I don't know if you can see that pink box, but I'm telling you, come back in an hour or so. That's the reversal zone for the day.
Mad. All right, chat. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. Right now,
Wait, is this the...
we love a pink box. Chat, I said we love a pink. Yeah. Tom prefers brown, to be honest.
No, I don't.
Pause is crazy. Get in the gym. Mouse having super resistance sounds weak. Yeah, that is pretty gay, honestly. Imagine being that beta that you go like, it's really hard to move the mouse. Crazy. Man, those chart colors. This guy said your chart colors are gay.
No, they are honestly the cleanest chart colors I've seen anybody have. Like any social media creator,
You're not.
nobody has as good chart colors as me. They're so clean.
Only 2 trading months and already white and black candles. That is psychopathic. Yeah, fuck you.
No, they're not white and black. It's like really light blue and then yeah, black.
Is that your boyfriend? Is crazy work, to be honest. Bro moved in. Yeah, he actually kind of did, bro. It wasn't even invited as well. Like, he just pulled up to my door one day and said, I've blown all my money trading. I'm literally homeless. Can I stay with you, please? And then I was like, yeah, fine. And then he was like, also, can you get me a funded account? And I was like, oh, fine. And then he said, also, I need a new MacBook Air. And I said, fine. And then he said, bro, I'm not being funny. I've only got 1 pair of underwear. He's shaking his head at me. All right. We need to lock it in here. Sugar Dad is crazy. Bro took it away as well. What's good, SR Wilton? I see you in my comments all the time, man. I appreciate the love you've been showing. Chat, by the way, have you seen recently... Oh, wait. Actually, it doesn't matter. But yeah, Instagram started translating my reels into Spanish as well. So if you are a native Spanish speaker, you can now watch my Instagram content, which is pretty crazy.
Was it do that automatically?
Mm.
Bro, have you seen the new AirPods? They
Yeah, that is sick.
Technology that translates. But shock, it's been banned in the UK.
Yeah. And you said let me sniff them. It's crazy, Kingwood. Bro, SMW, let's go NY Open. Yeah, well, NY Open's in an hour and NYSE Open's in an hour and a half. Well, an hour and 20, which is what really matters. Actually, the main thing that matters here, chat, me and Tom were talking about this yesterday, right? If you're trading gold, the main thing that matters is COMEX Open, which is actually in 10 minutes here, because that is the Commodities Exchange Open, right? Commodities. So when people say to me like, oh, why don't you stay on for NYSE Open? The main thing that gold's traded on is the Commodities Exchange, right? COMEX. That opens at 1:20 UK time, which is, I believe, 8:20 NY. And that is the main thing that's actually fucking gold. That's the main thing that gold is traded on, right? The main volume bringer into the market. So when people are like, why don't you stay for NYSE? That's the reason why. It doesn't really matter too much. Do you teach about the Diddy candle TJR always talks about?
Oh, I've seen that, to be fair. I wouldn't be able to explain it, but...
No, I get it. But no. I actually trade. This is the difference, right? I actually make money trading.
Did you use a funnel?
No. I've just got like coordination.
No, but my bottle is it's too narrow at the top. I don't want to get powder all over there.
Is that a big black candle? I don't know. Let's bring Tom back in for that one. Tom's got the expertise in big black things. Just giggled from across the room. All right, man. What if I get what do I get if I get a TRLS tattoo? You get... I'll buy you a funded account. I'll get you a 300k funded. That's a pretty good deal. The bottle lid on mine is more narrow than yours. You're just retarded.
Don't say that on stream, man. You're demonetized.
Chat, yesterday I was at the airport. Actually, I can't say that.
Can you not?
No, what?
Oh.
I was going to say what happened at the airport.
Right.
Never mind.
Oh god, that doesn't fit.
Slops from Tom? Yeah, actually, if you get a TRLS tattoo, Tom will give you slops.
That
Right,
does not
look at
fit.
this. Look at this. This guy is actually disabled. Ready? Oh, wait, it's not even in the camera.
I just don't want to get it all over your desk.
I didn't spill a single drop. That's years of seasoned pre-workout makery. Chat, should we take pre on stream and just see what happens? I feel like your emotions would be... Bro, you got to put like 2 or 3 in there.
Oh.
because it's like so much water. I feel like your emotions, if you're on like a lot of caffeine, is really difficult to control.
Yeah, you get a bit giddy after a few monsters.
No, I get anxious when I have too much caffeine. So like if I trade after the gym, a lot of the times when I used to first take pre-workout, I had to stop myself from trading after the gym because I'd get too anxious, you know?
Really?
Yeah, genuinely. But that was like a serious amount of caffeine. But now I handle caffeine a lot better, right? But you in this? No, I'm not kick.
Oh, that was clean.
But that's what I'm looking for, basically. We're waiting for a closure above chat. Right now, there's nothing I can really do here. Unless NQ breaks out, we could potentially take a little NQ position.
Oh.
But my level for NQ would obviously be there. Why would it be here? Right? It's obviously going to be here. But realistically, NQ's run up pretty far. I had buys this morning from down here. Ended up closing them just below break even. On an evaluation, chat. Honestly, a mil funding is very, very close. And then I can just clickbait the fuck out of all of you guys, right? The moment I get a mil in funding, I can just spam 7-figure funded trader absolutely everywhere.
Tell everyone that you manage 100 million in private equity.
Yeah, true, actually. At that point, I'm definitely like a private equity trader, right?
Yeah, if somebody on the street asks you what do you do for a living, you just tell them that you're an asset manager.
Yeah.
Over £1 million worth of funds.
Assets under management. SG, how did you point out that zone there? Like, what's the reason? What zone? Which one are you talking about? On NQ or like this one to the left? Were you talking about this or? I just spoke about a few zones. Oh my days, chat. Oh my days. Hopefully we can get a nice little position here though. Oh shit, my phone's gonna go flat. Can you? Ain't this a 30-minute Sky Dweller? What?
Give me your charger. I mean, the phone. Mine's here.
Close respecting bearish? Yes, but we're very bullish on the day, right? Yeah, it is technically a nice little Sky Dweller from the top of the range. It didn't really sweep any liquidity though. But bro, chat, we're so bullish today. I would rather not take sells at all. Genuinely, I think all we need to do is sweep some liquidity, and then on FX it did. Okay, but bro, like look at the higher time frames. You got like a 2-hour bullish close, 4-hour previously grabbed liquidity after sweeping that low, which is a big confluence for me. Sweeping that wick low is a massive confluence, right? Daily time frame as well, closed bullish above most recent. The highest daily close ever in the history of gold. Highest weekly close ever. Highest monthly close ever previously. So like, everything's bullish right now. To take sells here for me is a little bit counterproductive. I'd rather just wait. But you do have a 15-minute close here shortly, chat. And then you got comics open in 5 minutes after that. So hopefully, we can actually get some action coming into the market here. Some volume coming in with comics would be very nice. I just drank your drink. Fuck.
I said no contaminating this week.
Because you were ill as well.
Yeah, like for at least
Fuck. What's up, mate? Where have you been? I was in Germany first, then I was in the UK, and now we're back. I don't know what happens, chat. We had like 150 viewers before I went, and now I take a week off, and everyone's like, "Oh, SG must be dead, bro. It must be gone." Dry scoop, 2 scoops of pre, no balls. Maybe. Damn, you're basically just kissed since you drank from his drink. He actually just went and washed the lid as well.
Yeah, give me your bottle.
What's with you? No, they're different bottles, I know. Just don't put it right next to mine. Because I just, I always have a drink here on stream. Fuck.
You're just an idiot.
Boom, 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 boom.
You're gonna lose this without your initials.
You can't give breaks for more than 3 days, mate. Yeah, everyone just, like, everyone's like, oh, SG's probably just fucking, probably dead somewhere. What's good there, High Life? How's it going, brother? Trend trader, bro. The zones are based off of rejection areas, right? On the higher time frame. So they're all based off of previous areas of rejection. You can see like right here, we have a rejection area, rejection of this, of this, of this, of this. So Yeah, realistically, it's based off of it's just a resistance zone, essentially. Every time you close above here as well, you fill up towards at least like 89, sorry, as a minimum. So for me, it's pretty much a clean traffic area. Once you close above there, that's a confirmed breakout. And there should be no reason for you to not continue up, right? Were you in London during the protest? No, I was not. I flew back yesterday. No, 2 days ago, and the protests were yesterday. Or the day before. Chat, I actually got in a bit of beef on the plane. I was sat in business, right? And bro, this guy was staring me up and down. This old guy was literally staring. There was two like seats next to me, or like across the aisle. This guy was staring at me, and then like, bro, I saw that he had a Patek Philippe on his wrist, and I was like, oh shit, let me talk to him, because I wanted to make a nice little connection. And then he just starts talking about like, what do you do for a living to me, which is obviously valid. So I told him, normally I just say like social media, because I don't want to tell people about trading and then they ask like loads of shit. But yesterday I literally went, yeah, I do day trading. And he was like, oh, that's bullshit. And I was like, what? And he literally like started calling me out on the plane.
Yeah, you could like, it's just got bad PR, doesn't it?
He literally started calling me out on the plane. And I was like, nah, it's not. And then I literally was like, fuck it. We were on a 5-hour plane ride. I was like, let me show you some proof. So I pulled out like broker statements. I pulled out like all of that type of shit. And he was like, nah, it's not real. He's like, I was like, what do you do with your money then? He's like, well, I invest it long term in like stocks like the S&P and shit like that. I was like, oh, you mean like this? And then like I showed him like NQ and everything and like markups, and he was like, nah, but it doesn't work short term. Shut up. Yeah, honestly, like, that just goes to show you how even people that have made money, right? He had a Nautilus on his wrist, which, how much is a Patek Philippe Nautilus? Like 100K? So he's obviously like got bread. Probably a millionaire. He was like probably mid 60s, 70, something like that. From Turkey? Nah. Bro, he sat in business like he genuinely was rich. Or at least he looked it. Like he had a suit, a nice little like smoking jacket on and everything. So like even people that have money don't believe trading's real. Yeah, older generation, I guess too. 73,000 euros. See, that is a nice watch though. I reckon that might be the next watch I get. You seen these? Patek Philippe Nautilus is so nice.
Yeah, it is. It's quite similar to what you have though.
Yeah, it is pretty similar.
Like same. Oh, that would be me.
Not that iced out. Factory set.
625 bags. Mate, that's ridiculous.
Bro, trying to make connections with anybody with money? Of course, bro. That's how connections work. You make the connection, then you decide later. That is nice as fuck though. I mean, it's tacky as shit, but... Factory set diamonds. I believe the kids call them the baguettes. All right, chat. Listen, we're pushing down, man. We flipped on the 4-hour as well here. After grabbing some liquidity, so maybe we're gonna see a continuation down first. I genuinely don't understand why one would pay this much for fucking steel. Some people have so much money that it doesn't really make a difference, right? Why'd you turn this away? You actually turned my light away.
I didn't touch it.
Yeah, you did. On which firms you are 700K? Traderfy, Goat Funded Trader, Apex, and Top Step. Spread across those. Soon to be a milli though. I know it's about the craft and stuff, but 700K is ridiculous. Yeah, I know, it's insane. It's so stupid. When you make 15K on a 50K funded in one trade, now you have to make 100K for a payout. Yeah, Weelu, how's that going, brother? Bro, you know Apex has consistency for the payout, right? Weelu made like 15K on one trade on a 50K funded. So now he has to get to 100K. So you have to get to 100% profit to take the payout. You cooked yourself so bad. No, but then I think you can request maximum 2K for the first like 5 payouts.
Yeah, but the one he gets after that.
So like if you keep the account for that long, yeah, you can then you can get the unlimited, uncapped 60 bando payout, which is gonna be sick. I'm up 85 now. Wait, no, you're not up 85. You're up like 35, right? It's total 85 profit, which is still incredible.
Yeah, that is insane.
Holy shit.
How did you even hit 15k? Was it just like you know, massively like over leveraged?
So for TradeVate accounts, I can only use them by downloading NinjaTrader because I can't use the on the website itself. It only gives me an option to use practice mode. Nah, bro, you have to go on simulated mode. Just log on to TradeVate, go on to simulated mode, and then that's it. NinjaTrader is good, but you don't need it. Oh my days, NQ's ripping, man. Chat, maybe we get a nice little 30-min close above, little raise FX breakout trade. He doesn't even have FX by the end of his name. Tradeify just released Project X. It's a sick platform. Can I trade on that then? Even though I already have an account on. Probably not, right? They're probably going to be like, no. That is so shit. I got a trade and I put my stop to, and I forgot about news and it flipping pushed. Holy shit.
Mad.
That's a W.
Was that the most recent? Was that last Wednesday?
When was that? PPI? It must have been, right? Bro, I'm not talking about one model only, bro. I'm pretty sure you have one model, right? All I see is you trade in the NQ break and retest. And it just prints money. Like, bro, Raise is the #1 fucking, like, example of exactly what I try and teach to you guys, right? Like, Raise was in the group for ages trying to learn. Then bro just literally went, hang on, let me simplify this shit. He just goes, all right, let me wait for an NQ breakout, retest, and takes a buy off the retest. Bro, the most simple thing ever. Trading is so fucking simple. Like, you don't need to do any of this crazy shit. Earlier I took a buy on NQ from here because it tapped into a level, right? It broke above, retested the same as this, and then went up. Like, it's crazy how simple you can make trading, but everyone wants to overcomplicate this shit. I honestly might have to start trading NQ as well. Wrong, mate. It's not working on small time frame. You got to invest. Ah, yeah, you're right. You're right. Oh yeah. Raise does US 30. My bad. Yeah. But still, same shit. Oh my days. What's US 30? It's YM, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. Same exact strategy. Chat, I think what you'll slowly realize is, and what Tom I've been teaching you recently is, every single strategy is just repackaged, like, from market structure. This is why I teach you guys market structure. When you're looking at, like, ICT, all of these fucking rejection zones, golden areas, left bollock trades and all that sort of thing, bro, it's all just market structure. Every single trading strategy that these gurus try and sell you a course on is just fucking market structure. It's so simple. Just when it's going up and making higher highs and higher lows, buy, and when it's going down, sell. Since day one, we've been trading the exact same thing, SG. We just made word things different, just made it our own edge. Yeah, trust me. Just gotta look for the FVG, then it becomes disrespected, then it disrespects the disrespect. Trust me. You have to do the magic spell though. You have to do the Alakazam. I think the problem will be I still need to trade. If I got the first payout, still need to make account being active for trades. Yeah, but you can do that, bro. Just small trades at that point, because you have infinite fucking... Bro, you have to understand now, you've got out of the buffer zone. So you could literally trade, once you get to that first payout with a consistency, you can trade with like a tiny contract, right? But now your trading drawdown right now is literally... I think the rules are you're allowed to risk 30% of your total profit above the buffer. So now you're 35k in profit. You can risk 10k a trade on that Apex account and not have to worry. So like, it's pretty fucking good, to be honest. All right, if you said it, if I get the tattoo, that's an activate. Not activate. I mean, yeah, I'll pay for the activation actually. If you get a TRLS tattoo. Gold PA is so shit, but so much potential here. Chat, so much potential here. Nah, there seriously is. If we break out this range, you're gonna be locked in here. NQ is honestly where it's at right now though. Should I take an NQ trade on stream? Because chat, this would technically be a forward test, right? So if small trades, not yet, Willu. If I was you, I'd be risking like a couple of, like 5k on each trade now from here on out. And then when you get to the first payout, just drop the risk, and because then all you need is like 5 trading days per payout. Technically, if I took a trade here on NQ, it would be a forward test. So I would probably only take it on an eval, and I wouldn't want you to copy it. Today I passed my third top step. Can you recommend a risk management? Merge those accounts or trade them separately? It depends on your situation, Lucas. If you are currently only funded with those accounts, I would trade them individually. If this is like nothing to you and you don't mind losing them, or like, you know, it's not going to be crazy stressful for you to trade them all together, then trade them all together so you can use the leverage. But there's nothing wrong with trading them individually, right? Just because everyone preaches about copy trading, you could take 1 trade a day on each account and still make good money, right? Like if you make 1% on a 50K, that's $500. $500 a day is very good. Alternatively, right, you could basically do 1 trade per day per account. So let's say you wake up for London, you trade on account number 1, get a win. You can trade New York on account number 2 or 3, you know, and then you're spreading the risk, and you also can have winning days and also take losses on the accounts, and it's not going to be such a shit thing, right? Because if you lose on all 3 accounts, it's just annoying, to be honest. All right, chat, I'll be back in a second. Entertain them, yeah? They've got no attention span.
Alright, I'll watch you. Wait, where's your chat? Oh, here it is. What's good, chat? How we doing? 360, please. Mate, they keep wanting me to spin around. If you pay me, I'll 360. Send it to my PayPal. I know, there's only it's only zesty comments. It's never how are you doing. It's never a how's your day going, Tom. It's always just a shaky booty on stream.
Right.
Should I just full port one of your accounts? Next time you go bathroom, you just come back, you see.
Crazy. Hey, what's good, Tom? How's it going, brother?
Minus 10k.
Oh my god, I'm so big. Wait, NQ's about to close above here.
Wait, by the way.
Get up.
He's caught into the tick. How much he nasty? Well, arguably that was called on stream.
Yeah, that is pretty crazy.
To the tick.
Jar said, Tom, do you plan to move to Cyprus? He's fucking moved here. He just turned up at my door with a one-way ticket.
No, I am getting a bit sick of Sam though. I might.
Tom, drop trow is crazy. Drop trow is crazy.
Straight to the point though, I like it.
Chat, can we get a nice little NQ position here? I might take a little forward tester. I'm gonna take buys right against your confluence.
I think NQ's done.
What? It hasn't even been NQ's done. It hasn't even been NYC open.
I'm saying that reversal. You can see it. You can literally see it.
Stop talking to me. He's gonna get deported? Yeah, I'm gonna report him, I can't lie. To the authorities. 30 closed here, chat. On
you shouldn't listen to me, actually. Don't let me cloud you.
On NQ. Bottom week first as well, chat. Holy shit.
The model.
Should we take this on an eval? Don't copy this position, chat, if I take this. I don't even know where stops would be. This would be a forward test, right? My friend's editor got deported back to England after moving to Malta. Why? That's cooked. What's gold doing? Nothing, bro. It closed bearish below as well. Wick fills usually work better when NYC is opened. Yeah, more volume to be fair. I mean, chat, I don't trade NQ, right? But I'm just looking at a forward tester here. Brings out volume where you usually in and out quicker. True. I mean, let's see, chat. Let's see what happens here. I think I also need to set up my NinjaTrader copier for right now. If we're going to take it like an actual trade, I'm going to take it on across all accounts now. How do you get deported from a country if you're not doing something illegal? That's what I don't really understand. Watching from Botswana. What's good, man? Shit, chat, we're worldwide. Botswana's crazy. How's it going, SG? What's good, Joel? Welcome back, my friend. Overstay, you're welcome. Yeah, but surely if you're contributing to society and everything, you can't overstay your welcome, right? I pay my taxes. I normally made a video about it. Alright, I'll watch it in a bit. Oh, not now. I'll watch it later. Oh, shit. There you go. Rob someone, you get to stay. Trust me, yeah. Or just go to the UK without documents. They love you there. You can just stay like that. I
just feel like a genius. Is this what you feel like? You know when you call something on stream?
Yeah.
It's like, I am the market, mate.
Come to Sweden, bro. It's brazy. Yeah, Sweden seems cooked. I can't lie. Like, Sweden went from one of the safest countries in the world, if not Europe, to like now one of the most dangerous. No, I'm pretty sure Sweden has like some ridiculous SA rates and stuff like that. A motherfucker shoots up an entire block with an AK. Yeah, bro, this is what I mean, bro. Like, the world's cooked. Chat, the protests in London, though, without getting political, is a sick thing to see. I don't care what you say. It's a goated thing to see. My pal was stuck in Netherlands with no passport, no phones. He kicked a window through in the red light district. That worked for him. No way. That's so smart. I mean, surely you got to charge for it, but still, you get home. Sweden's not the Sweden I grew up in? Yeah, no, I guarantee. Chat, funny story, right? So yesterday, I was at the airport, obviously. No, 2 days ago, I was at the airport when I got here. And I got to the passport control to come into Cyprus. And I was like, fuck, I don't have my visa with me. I left it in Cyprus when I left. I got back to the UK fine, obviously, somehow. But I got to passport control and I was like, shit, I don't have my visa. I'm cooked, right? And then I got to the desk and I was like, basically, she said, do you live here? And I was like, yeah. She was like, do you have your visa? I was like, no, I forgot it. She was like, oh, this is not good. And then she just like waited for a few seconds and then went, ah, it's okay. Like, I spoke to her for a bit and she was like, it's okay, and let me through. How cooked is that? I'm in them buys on NQ or what? Chat, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm also in those buys on NQ. Like I said, I took it on an eval. I'm up like a tiny bit here. Just sample sizing. For me, evaluations are what I use to forward test. You're in buys on gold. Okay. What's gold doing, actually? Oh, okay. Bro, there's no real area here, though. Chat, if this hourly closes above... Oh, we might get cooked here. If this hourly closes above on gold, we might have an actual trade here. Of a buy stop at the break. Of what, the hourly high? You gotta be careful, bro. We're still very much in the range. Minus supported, respected, BE. Yeah, fair. Joe, I have a question, right? With the Tradeify, etc., the funded accounts with consistency, are you just taking regular trades, or are you putting your TP SL at not SL? Are you putting your TP at the max consistency score? You know what I mean? Because that's what I've been doing, and it works. But to the point of, is there a better way to do it? Is what I'm trying to think about. You know what I mean? Like, let's say you've got 150k funded, right? Your biggest trade can be like 1.8k. You just stick in your TP at 1.8k and letting it run, or you just managing as normal? Have the risk setting so it'll liquidate me at max? Smart. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. That's actually, yeah, that's actually a great idea. So do you just let it run until then? Or are you still managing? Because I've genuinely been thinking about just letting them run, because 90% of my trades actually just hit TP anyway. So I genuinely just think it's probably going to be a better idea for me to just let it run. Chat, gold flipped here though on the hourly. This is nice. If we close above right now, I'm going to be very confident in some buys. Very, very confident, chat. We got a lot of opportunity here. Seriously now. I mean, it's always seriously, but a lot of opportunes. Oh, yeah. Forfeit for the challenge has got to be the spaghetti goops.
The spaghetti goop.
Not the spaghetti goops. I guarantee no one in chat's seen that as well.
If anyone's from the UK, they might know Alan Reed, but any of you foreign viewers, there are chances they know who Alan Reed is.
Order failed. Yeah. Okay, I hear that, Jal. That makes sense. Oh, chat, would you get neck off a man for 10 mil, though? That's the question on everyone's mind. How we, man? NQ's being very interesting. Gold's looking nice, though. But the problem is we are literally barcoding right now, chat. You could literally scan this at the supermarket, and you are going to literally... It's going to turn up with some oranges or some shit like that. Boom. 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 No. Very, very interesting, chat. I'm done for the day, bro. Have a good one. All right, only focus in a bit, man. Chat, this could be great, though. Let's lock it in here. We've got 20 minutes to the closure. 15-minute closing in 5 minutes. Even if the 15 closes above, I'm actually going to be super confident in this one. Nice little, like, stops are pretty safe down below here as well. So we could look at, to be honest, something like this. Especially if you can get a wick entry, right? You can look for a... What would it be? I'd probably be pumping 10, 12, 15? 15? Nah. A little bit less. 13, 12. 12 micros. Take that towards the top of the range. Copy traded across a few accounts. Yeah, that'd be nice, chat. That would be the position I'm looking for, right? That would be what I'm looking for here, to be truly honest. If we can get that, we're going to be looking good. Spaghetti goops, chat. So stuck in my head now.
Hey, look at the trading floor.
That's actually ridiculous. That is actually ridiculous. How's bro sending that into the chat? Get out! Chat, surely that's a bannable offense there. Surely he gets a kick for that. Big rejection here, chat, to be fair, off gold. Is it just a bottom wick? Who knows? I certainly don't. This is the thing as well, chat. I think you see a lot of people who try and like predict stuff. You can't predict like the market. A lot of people try and literally go like, oh no, I'm going to predict that it's going to reject at this specific area.
Yeah, those people are the worst.
Yeah, they are the worst. Now, but in reality, chat, the best thing you can do is just wait for stuff to react. Once you get the rejections or the reactions that you're looking for, that's when you know you're good to go, right? Stop calling me out. Hey, I'm not calling you out. I was actually calling Tom out. Oh, hourly flipped on NQs. You might have been right.
Bro, I was right.
I hate to say that you were right.
Wait, no, I'm showing that. This. Let me have my moment. Look, literally, where's my pink box?
Where's my pink box is crazy, by the way.
All this, and it's just dumped straight afterwards.
Bro,
I said that was the reverse.
Bro called the rejeckie to the tick. Fair play. You gotta give credit where credit's due sometimes.
Mate, nobody's pulling that off in their first month of trading. That's genius level IQ.
You just got lucky.
Maybe.
Nah, I'm joking. That is a good call out. I'll give it to you. It's a good call out. Good comms.
W-comms.
W comms. Oh, chat. Can we just close above here on gold, please? Something interesting. Been rejected from Tom's pink box.
I'm just irritated that I didn't take it.
Your pink box has been rejecting price for a long.
I told you I am the market maker.
From here and after, Tom is now only known as Mr. Pink Box. To be fair, is it pink?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum pink is crazy. Bow, 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 bow. Chat, would you get neck off a man for 10 mil? This stream has gone downhill very quickly. I've noticed, chat. I have genuinely noticed when we have like a period where price is just doing nothing, the streams just deviate into some serious degeneracy, and it actually can't run. I'm actually calling an end to it right now. No more. Hey, what's good, Bedge?
Very intellectual 20 minutes.
It's 1:45 on the dot every single day. 1:45 is degen hour. Everything just turns degen. I don't know what goes on.
Let's just talk about the social and economic state of the world.
Yeah, let's talk about the social and economic state of the world right now.
Let's see if I've got any good gifts.
You're broke.
You're poor.
You're poor. People have been trading since London session. They get bored? Yeah, that's true. At least you can finally talk about it. Yeah, true. I can't lie. Because I don't really trade London anymore, I don't get that. Like, I'm on the charts now. I'm very fresh. Where's Mr. Mochi? Bro, I've been getting DMs from Mr. Mochi all week. Like, legitimately DMs from Mr. Mochi all week.
Do you know for sure that it's Eugene?
Yeah, it's 100% Eugene.
But we don't actually know for definite.
No, it is. He slipped up. He slipped up and sent a message from his account.
How old is Eugene? Do you know?
It's not me. See, look, here he is.
The comedic timing is too
Yeah,
perfect.
it's so good.
Too perfect.
Every time you hear Mr. Mochi. Oh! Yeah, chat, what the fuck did I tell you about this one, huh? Stops to break even on that NQ trade. Suck out. What did I say, chat? Do I hold this? We saying there's a wick fill, 30 minute. You know what? Let's do a good sample size here and let's close half at this point in time. Oh no, it doesn't really work like that. Fuck it, we'll close full. It's really weird on Tradeovate. Like, it doesn't close full properly. So fuck it. 300 smackaroons on that. I hate how it does that. 472 on the day for that account. Chat, what am I telling you? You see my new vid about you? Oh, chat, we closed right at the rejection as well. But that is a 5-minute bullish close. So you were actually incorrect about the rejection area.
Oh, no.
Well, I took buys off of it. Technically, though, you can both be right, you know? Have you seen my new video about you? Oh, brilliant. Let me see. You're talking about 10 mil, but I'm out after 10K, after 20K. Yeah, I mean, money's relative, right? Don't get me wrong, I take way less than 10 mil. But like, oh mate, no way. Bro, you're actually banging views.
If your name is Ryan, I own you. I own you, you dirty boy. If your name is Ryan, I'm Mr. Mochi. And this is sky skiing. I'm Mr.
Well, did you see the one where he's calling you out?
Yeah.
I just don't,
Who's this? Who's the new character?
I don't get it.
Who's the new character?
I honestly don't understand.
Yeah, no, it's definitely Eugene, bro. I said, come on. It's my boy.
I just don't understand where he comes up with the ideas for this. He's just... It's so shit. Yeah, this one. Oh, what? You got 4 comments.
Someone just said what? No. The frog is past no num guy. Yeah, maybe. That's actually a good shout. Holy shit! Usually, don't quit your day job, mate. That is ridiculous. It's so. I've genuinely never. It's a gecko.
Just broke out the range on gold.
Oh, chat, we're popping here. Let's go. Finally, some opportunes. Can we get? Oh, it's gonna fill the range. It's gonna fill the fucking range, chat. Can we see a nice little pullback close? Of course, the 15-minute close like this first. Bye, slap. Good shit, Jar. Congratulations, my friend. Chat, we got the NQ buys on the Eval. It's a nice little 500 buckaroons on the NQ Eval.
Proud of you, man.
Yeah, thank you. See, this is what I mean. You called the top tick to the day, but you made...
Yeah, well, I just didn't enter.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Because the setup wasn't
This is exactly what every single ICT trader does. They say they call the exact move, but they make niche dollars out of it.
No,
but I don't call the move. I just understand probability, and I'll take a little piece of a tiny move, but I make fucking money from it. That's the difference.
No, because the setup wasn't there. You gotta follow your strategy.
Yeah, Jar, I'm not gonna lie. You've been killing it with the payouts. It's motivating. Yeah, Ray's, you're right, man. It is motivating. Chat, Jar, you don't mind if I share it, right? I know you put it in the private chat, but it's kind of motivational. I know you're a private guy. I'll wait. 5 minutes till the... Oh, no. 5 minutes is closing here, chat. Interesting. Jar, let me know if I can show them. It's alright if not. 5 minute entry? Nah, I can't take a 5 entry, unfortunately. No danger SG? Alright, say less. Chat, look at this. This guy's been killing it. But if this doesn't motivate you, I don't know what will. 13.5 bandaroons. And then you just scroll up a little bit more. 9.5 big ones. I'm pretty sure you go again, and there's Jar again here somewhere. Oh, there's Nicola with 1k. Oh, you must have sent it elsewhere, but bro, you've absolutely been smacking it, which is just insane. From what I understand with Jai, you trade similar like concepts to me, right? But it's like you definitely have way more aggressive entries, and you definitely get a lot of like bottom ticks. From what I've seen, you use fibs as well. I know that. All glaze? Nah, glaze where glaze is due, right? Chat, this is kind of tough though. We tapped into a level here, which is kind of annoying. I didn't want us to fill this range yet. Similar to SG, but I take liquidity sweeps as well. W's. What I call sniper entries? Yeah, bro actually is... We might have to give bro his own role in the Discord, just called the sniper. That could be the one. I'm going to have to change the colors in the Discord as well. I think I'm going to change everything up. By the way, I'm thinking, how could I do that, bro? Chat, do you know if there's a way to verify... I want to give people roles depending on how much funding they get, you know?
We'll just... Oh. I mean, maybe you'd have to link up to a bot somehow if you wanted to be...
I could just do it manually, I reckon.
Yeah, but mate, every single... No, I swear, yeah, you got mods, don't you, actually? So, yeah,
The mods can give the roles. Yeah, I'm actually going to do that later in the day. I'm going to like make a Discord role. So like we'll have one that's like funded. We'll have 6-figure funded. We'll have 7-figure funded. And then we'll have one for payouts as well. That could be sick. Can't give roles? Raise, I'll change it, bro. I'll change it. To do. Nice. Pink box roll? Yeah, you can get the pink box roll.
You should give, yeah, give me the pink photo.
Is it pink? Do we have any pink? We don't have any pink here, right? All right. Let's do this. Wait. Oh wait, and we'll give it to Tom. There you go. There you go. Oh fuck, wait, I have to change it. All right, there we go. You've now got the is it pink roll. There you go. Happy to take leftover fridge Chinese roll. What does that even mean? Sometimes I swear we need like a translator for you. Leftover fridge Chinese roll. Not even spelled like roll like food. Yo, I want the pink roll. Hand it over.
Especially for me, man.
I don't even know what your Discord is, Rentero, because you got a new Discord. We in? Nah, we'll be in after this 5-minute closure chat. 5 minutes till this close. If we get a bottom wick on the open, we'll be in some buy skis. Let me set up my trade copier, actually. I want to set this up from this to copy over to this. And I want to do 0.3. Okay. Nice. No news today. Pure P8. Yeah, that's good, man. 4-hour close in. Depends on what time, what broker you're on. For me, it's an hour and a half, an hour and a bit. Fine. Only when I'm profitable. For now, can I have Goth Mummy's roll, please? Bro's begging for it. Chat, 5 minutes here. Lock it in. I'll be back in a sec. Good entertainment.
Oh my god, I'm just like a dancing lion, mate. Tell me what to do. Wait. Oh shit. Oh my god. Talk to me, chat. What we saying? Yeah, you quickly add it in while Sam's gone. How do I do it? Whoa! What was it? Exclamation point. I don't know what I'm doing. They're asking me to add the command, but I don't know how you do it.
No. Get out of the way. Wait, we got 3 minutes, chat. We need to lock it in. No more shenanigans. Spread them.
It's always like the same, like...
Tom clap for the NHS.
It's basically, it's
Oi,
what?
are you in a position?
Oh, is that my account?
This is your phone.
Yeah, I am.
What? Bro's in a position he didn't tell anyone. On what? On this?
I can't tell you, mate. No, yeah, I'm on this.
Oh my god.
But it's slightly different.
That's insane, chat. Bro literally took the fucking position without us knowing.
I'm not gonna lie though, it's kind of whack. Like, I'm break even right now.
Bro's trying to top tick as well. What's wrong with you?
No, I'm not. It hasn't respected that range yet today. That was on NQ.
We got a shadow ban again. Had to go digging to find the stream. Yeah, maybe. I mean, it's because I took a week off as well, but we might be shadow banned. Fuck. It didn't show up on anyone's page. Chat, did the stream show up on your page today or not? Why did I always take a break whenever we get like banger views?
No, if you're actually look, it's because you're.
That's my TP.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It lines up exactly with.
Shut up on mine. Okay, is that a vape? Yeah. Didn't mind, to be fair. All right. Okay. All right, chat. I appreciate it.
That's what I was telling you this morning. If they line up, that's good enough for me to take it.
It's the Benjamin.
It's kind of doing whack though.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be counter trading. You're in sales.
No, I'm in buys.
Are you in buys?
Yeah.
Okay, fuck me. I thought you were in sales because all I saw was working sell order.
No, I'm in buys.
Oh, okay. All right, well that's fine then. I thought you were trying to top tick the fucking cells. I was about to start punching you.
No, I mean it's kind of whack. I just took it on one of my fresh evals.
2 minutes, lock in, chat.
It's not looking good though, I'm not gonna lie.
No, it is. This is gonna be clean. You might not have got the best entry in the world, but
I entered off the 5 minute.
yeah, okay, that's not bad. Verified top ticker, yeah, trust me. What's good, Karif? How's it going, brother? Welcome back. Cryptomaniac as well. How you doing, my boy? Forgot to say hi. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna rechange the roles. Actually, I'm gonna do like some funded roles. It's gonna be pretty cool, man. It's gonna be pretty cool. All right, chat. But look, every single confluence is aligned here for me. We're bullish on the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, and we are now closing above on the 1 hour here. If we can just grab a nice little bottom wick, we should be good to go here. If we can get that nice little liquidity grab, either an entry on the flip or on the wick. And yeah, let's see, chat. Let's see. Hard hour is crazy. Please just pull back a little bit for us. You don't want it to be ripping up as the candle closes, right? Because then what happens every single time is it just cooks you. Oh my days, the 30 did fill the wick as well. We should have held that NQ buy. No, I'm joking. 15 seconds here, chat. Lock it in. Oh my days, if this closes no top wick, I'm going to start a serious scrap. I'm actually going to start a scrap. No. All right, we did leave a wick. Chat. I believe that we will win. We need to see a bottom wick here, though. Is my trader bait closed? I need a bottom wick. Otherwise, I can't take it, chat. Does not look like we're going to get one. What's NQ on Apex? NQ. What do you mean? Qu'est-ce que c'est? I showed you the RR here. That's actually pretty cool. I think this is so clean, chat. Problem is, you do have like a small rejection area here. What's FX saying? Yeah, it broke the highs first though. It's kind of cooked. That is somewhat annoying, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Wick entry? Yeah, maybe. Bro's hitting the yacht. Yodi, gang. Can't you take off the break of current candle high? You could, but it already broke the high, which I don't like. And you're also tapping into quite a strong rejection area here, right? Look at this level in the past. Look at how many times we've bounced off this level. It's very difficult. Is there Chinese in Cyprus? No, not really. Chinese is whack anyway. Like food. Chinese takeaway is the worst takeaway, undoubtedly. Oh, chat, this is tough, man. Honestly, the NQ buys was the setup for the day. I can't lie. Those 30-minute NQ buys were so saucy. Spring rolls go hard. Yeah, they do. When did you last have it? I don't know. Years. Yo, honestly, if I traded NQ properly, that would have been the setup for the day, right? But I don't trade. I'm still forward testing it. I reckon within the next couple of weeks, though, I'll be able to trade NQ on stream, which will be good because we'll have 2 pairs then. SG only eats Wagyu beef and truffles nowadays. Ah, nah, bro. I'm still humble. The best thing I eat right now is this Armenian place that we go to. Bossman knows me. Every time, bro. Last time I was there, I get the full Bossman dap up, right? And last time he was finishing his shift because I went late at night. He's like, brother, he's Russian, but like Armenian, whatever, same shit. Brother, do you drink beer? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, let's have a beer together. So we sat there for like 30 minutes just drinking beer with Bossman. Tell me that is not goated. That's when you've elevated to the next level of Bossman love. When you actually go ahead and he cracks open a cold one with you. There was customers waiting and he was literally sat there with me like sipping a beverage. Unbeaten. Oh, look at ES right now. Bombwick on gold. I know. Oh. Yeah, you're literally in the Russian mafia at this point. You know what? I might be. I hit him with a spasiba. Yeah. Yo, I met my girl's grandparents the other day, right? And one of them only speaks Russian. Like her granddad only speaks Russian. So I think he. Well, I don't know if he thought he'd catch me off guard or whatever, but he hit me with like "Kakdala," which means like "How are you?" So I hit him back with the finest "I'm good, thanks. How are you?" in Russian, and he was like, "Whoa, tell me that's not brownie points right there." That's the only thing I know how to say in Russian as well, but it came out well. Nah, he's actually a gangster. A proper nice guy. I got his approval? Yeah, trust me. KGB, bro, I don't even know if I want to talk about it, but like, yeah, definitely. Definitely. 5-minute closing here, chat. It is making a bottom wick, right? Which is nice, but the problem, we respected this level and closed no top wick really and broke the highs first. And then he gave you 10 mil. I wish. If I got 10 mil last week, you would not be seeing me on stream for the next at least a year. I'm going to be in like fucking wherever. Greetings from Bridgetown. Where the fuck is Bridgetown? Caribbean or something? Barbados. Holy shit, JJ. Have a good holiday, my friend. Bridgetown. I actually have a Bayesian friend. Ooh, flipperoons chat. Still in NQ buys. Ah, Danny. Danny went for the copy trade, eh? Nah, it was a good play, I can't lie. Eugene, have you ever tried a beanie gag? I was already in. I'm just playing, bro. I'm just messing with you. Looks good to go up. Yeah, it does look great to go up, right? But unfortunately, I just can't take a position here like that. Like, that's firstly, like major stops. Secondly, like I said, it respected the level way too much. It's very difficult for me to take a position here. I do think it should fill the range, but if you look in the past, last time we closed above here, chat, we have rejected at this area numerous times, right? You rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So realistically, we could reject from here right now, which would not be good, obviously. Tom, leave his laptop here. Bro's taking his laptop in the bathroom, I'm pretty sure. I was about to full port an account for him.
No, I closed out of that shit, didn't like
In profit or?
Yeah.
Nice. When you check on FX, the 5 minute did close above that reject key. Would a buy be profitable?
But it's just getting stuck at that.
Not really. I don't think anything really closed above there. It's the same on FX. Like, chat, you don't want to be forcing a position here. On FX, it's the same. You have a level right here, which you close respecting, right? Like, it's very difficult to trade this right now, chat. Unfortunately, like, trust me, I would love to take a position right now. Start off the week well. We're doing this lock-in challenge, right? It'd be great to start off with a banger trade, but
Look, like it's just getting stuck.
is that your area?
Well, that was going to be my break-even point, but like I just closed.
Yeah.
Because I don't know.
We are making a bottom wick, chat, so we can see what it does here. I do think, obviously, the daily's flip right now. Like, wait, the daily did flip, right? Yeah, it did flip for a bit, momentarily. So realistically, it should continue up here. We've grabbed a lot of liquidity on the daily. What I have seen though, chat, to be honest, in FOMC weeks is sometimes you'll do this, come down and grab a wick, and then push up and flip on the daily and the weekly. And everyone thinks that's when they're going to get the buys, right? And then what happens is it just goes ahead and re-breaks the low before FOMC and then flips afterwards, right? So you got to be very careful. You got to be very careful. Chat, by the way, if you haven't already and you need a funded account, Apex is currently running how big's the sale? An 80% off sale right now, which is absolutely cooked. It's a big discount. So if you need to grab an account, now is the time to do it. I've been reliably informed there's not going to be a 90% sale for a while. So make sure you go ahead and grab one with an 80% off discount if you need an account. On the hourly, how would you describe the market structure? Bullish. Definitely, it just broke structure here. But also, wait, we just broke out of structure. But if you look at the long-term market structure, right, we are just consolidating here. You are technically in an overall higher time frame range between like what I would say is 36.94 and 36.61. So realistically, there's no point actually trying to take a trade above these highs for TP until you break out of there, right? We're going to just stay consolidating. Maybe FOMC will get us out of that wider time frame range, but I'm not too sure. Obviously, we're just going to have to wait and see on that one.
When's New York open? Like our time?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
NYSE open, chat, in 20 minutes as well. So I will stay on for that. If nothing forms on NYSE open, I'll go gym, I think, because I've got a lot of stuff to do today. Chat, I'm working on this little secret project. Watch this though, by the end of like Q5, I reckon, Q5, you know? Chat, I'm making a new quarter just so I can fucking work for longer. Holy shit. Q5. Doesn't make any sense. Clip? Fuck. Yeah, maybe. Third half? Yes, going into the third half of the year. In reality, by the end of Q4 is what I was trying to say. I reckon you're going to see me with like an extra 30k in payouts. Manifesting right now. A couple of months ago, I did like 30k in a month on my live account. And since then, I haven't traded my live account once. Been transitioning over to funded. Now getting close to like, bro, getting close to a mil funding, 3% is going to be 30k. That's easily achievable. Easily achievable, chat. So wait and see. I'm trying to debate whether to copy trade them all or like separate them into two groups. Oh, I actually can't copy trade them all. Because Top Step, you can't copy trade, right? Beanie Gag, chat. Not the Beanie PZ Dark Matters, forget you. That honestly had me crying a little. What does this mean? Surely you guys have seen that guy on TikTok. He's like Alan Reed, man. Bro, this guy drinks the craziest concoctions. What?
That's just UK humor though, like.
My most recent searches on TikTok are Alan Reed and Tim Cheese. This guy, chat, I'm sure you would have seen him. Bro, he just drinks the most fucking disgusting beverages. Wait. Where was that one?
I'll read you lot. I'm drinking a poo broccoli gag normal, yeah. Broccoli, it is in there. You can see that.
Bro, look at these concoctions, man. And he just drinks it. Wait, the best one's this one. Wait. That's like a Eugene. That's something Eugene would eat. Wait.
Eugene type of meal.
Wait, where's the Beanie Peasy Dark Matter Spaghetti Goose?
You're never gonna find it.
I will. Yeah. Oh wait, play it. Fuck. Why did it skip it?
I can't even take this seriously yet. Tonight I'm going to be drinking a beanie peasy dark matter spaghetti goopter. Beans, peas, spaghetti, dark matter, eggs, and Guinness, yeah? Look at all that. Look at that. And the challenge I've set for myself is this. I'm going to split the yellow wheat, split the sheep patcher, split the other wheat, split the golden Bennett, split the fucking shop rack, or split the wheat.
And then he just actually fucking drinks it. Like, that is just disgusting. How has this guy got so many fucking... Anyway, it doesn't matter. Chat, we got a bit distracted. It is crazy, bro. He drinks like tuna, mushy peas, beans, bro. It's just, yeah, vile. Anyway, hourly about to flip. You are right, Danny. 15 closing here. Somewhat bullish, which is good. Like, I would say we're about to close doji here. Would that not be a valid entry on gold? No, because, I mean, it would be if we weren't right at a rejection area, right? I think it could continue up, right? But it's just very difficult because it's literally against my strategy to take a buy at a rejection area. It would make 0 sense. If we close like a little bit below, we could take the buy up towards here and have that as like a break-even point. But for right now, there's just no point. What's good, Keelan? How's it going, brother? Welcome back, man. Yeah, like, legit. Not much point here. I feel like we should do IRL streams.
I haven't seen this for ages.
Chat, surely you guys have watched an IRL stream, no? I feel like that would be fire. Stacking Apexes right now. Good shit, Keelan. Yeah.
I think it takes a little bit to set.
I'm talking. Holy. Yeah, it would take a while to set up, I can't lie. But, yeah, I'm stacking Apexes too right now. Like I said, the goal is going to be $1 million funding by the end of this month. I think it's very doable. You can get $1 million just on Apex alone. You can get 3 mil on Apex. No, 6 mil. Chat, you can get $6 million in funding on Apex. How mad is that? That means 1% is 60K. Bro's like, my girl just won't shut up. I know, like, earlier I was sat there trying to work, and like, I think I was editing a video or something. She just kept waffling in my ear. Kept asking me, do I look fat in this? Who's that guy behind you? What guy behind me? There's no one in... Terrible joke. It's my student. What are the profit targets and payout limits, bro? For Apex, bro, if you scaled on Apex, you could seriously get some crazy fucking income. Like, chat, like I said, you can trade $6 million in capital on Apex, right? So you can have 20 accounts max times 300K, which is obviously, yeah, 6 mil. For the 300K challenges, the drawdown to profit ratio is very different. It's a bit harder, I can't lie. The 50Ks is the meta for Apex. Like, undoubtedly, it's easiest with the 50Ks. But for the 300K, you have 20K profit goal, 7.5K trailing drawdown. So 20K target, and then 7.5k drawdown, which is actually a very difficult ratio. I can't lie. Which makes it quite tough. If you go for the 50Ks though, which is way easier in my opinion, right? For the 50Ks, you can literally have times 20, which is 1 million funding total. And then you end up with, or your targets, sorry, are 3K target to pass with a 2K drawdown. So it's basically 1-to-1. It's like, what's that, 66%. And then, bro, once you also get past, so now you have like a live account. After you pass, right? If you get to 52.6k on the account balance, that means your drawdown stops. So now your trailing drawdown stops at 50k, right? At 50,000. That means if you get the account to like Willou's done to 80k or whatever, even if you get it to 60k, that means you've now got 10k of drawdown. So you can then risk like 3k per trade, whatever. And you can be making like, you can be risking 3k per trade across 20 accounts, which equals, what, 60k if you get a 1-to-1 per trade? It's fucking mental. It's insane, honestly. Chat, 5 closed bullish here, and the next one's flipping, which is interesting. I think we wait for a closure above here and then take the buys up towards the top of the range. You got 10 minutes till NYSE open. How about ACG? ACG is simple, bro. It's 8%, 6%. No trailing drawdown, static drawdown, which is good. But yeah, honestly, Jai, you could milk Apex, honestly. 5-minute flip, chat. Interesting. Oh. I'm gonna message you, bro, off stream. All right, bro. What platform? So I know, like, to see your message, bro, because I get so many DMs. But yeah, I'll get back to you 100%. Also, all right, Discord, say less. Top step might be worth considering as well. Chat, honestly, I'm just trying to diversify props as much as possible. I think it's always a smart idea, chat. Especially if you diversify props. If one prop goes down or denies your payout, you've still got a lot more. By the way, we're on 46 likes with 50 viewers. That is sick, chat. I appreciate it very much. I have a feeling we might be on a couple more than 50 viewers. Yeah. Because that is not right. That's a crazy ratio. Appreciate it very, very much, chat. You guys kill it with the support. By the way, 5 closed bullish here. Hourly flipped. Breaking the current highs here. You could take a look at some buys off an impulse entry. But like I said, bro, I don't like taking buys on this rejection area, to be truly honest. Yo, apparently Ben's alive, by the way. Jed sent a message in the Discord. Oh shit, we just ripped. All my days, bro. 5 no bottom wick. That is the gayest thing. Wait. Ben Anderson. The guy's alive. Would it even be worth taking a position out? I mean, maybe. We'll see. Holy. Where's he at? The mysterious disappearing Ben. Holy. Chat. It did kind of fill the range here, but I do think you've got room up towards like 9.4. So if we can get like a 30-minute closure in 8 minutes time above this. Yo, we're on 53 likes with 51 viewers. I don't even think I've liked the stream. That's got to be a glitch, no? I'm not even going to do it. I'll give you one, mate. Yeah, but I'm just saying, chat, I appreciate that, but that's got to be a glitch, no? hopefully we see a nice little rip up towards the highs here. Yeah, I'm gonna get a fish and a rice cake. Pre-workout snack. Oh, a pretty quiet stream tonight. What's good, Tony? How's it going, brother? Mate, these are shit.
Shit. This is good.
They're stale. We just bought them and they're stale. Yeah, spill it all over my floor, actually. That's a really good idea. Glad I came on for some ASMR.
Yeah, they are. I knew the bag had been opened. They're always twisted at the top.
They're literally stale. We bought them today. Needs fish, makes it less dry, lad. Should we do that for the lock-in meal? Just fish and a rice cake. This is so bad. How many funded accounts do you have? I'm trying to stream. Probably like 1 billion. Nah, I don't know, Tom. Maybe... Yo, we're on 60 likes. Chat, you guys are killing it. How are we on 60 likes with 49 viewers? That's crazy. Oh, yeah. Chuckle Vision? Yeah, trust me. I did a recap at the start of the stream. Wait, I have it here. It gets hard to keep track sometimes. I have currently 150k with Tradeify. I have 7 50ks with Apex. And I have a top step 50k passed. So that's all that are passed right now. And then I have 2 Goat Funded Trader 100k of hours, 2 ACG 200k of hours, 4 top step 50ks that are close to passing, 4 Apex 50ks that are close to passing. So basically, chat, give me a couple of weeks and I'm going to be $1 billion funded trader. This is so shit. You taking any Apex payouts? No. I got very close last cycle. Last funded cycle, I got very close, and then I blew the accounts because I had a poor psychology day, let's call it. No, it wasn't actually that. I left an order open by accident, and then that led to a poor psychology. Chat, you just tapped into this level and rejected very hard here. I can't believe I've been scammed on the rice cakes, bro. Chat, do you guys want to see gym content, by the way, or no? Like, when I make vlogs, do you want to see gym content in it or nah? Yeah, man. If you were stacked, holy shit. Telling me I'm not stacked, huh? Chat, what are the odds me and Tom run a cycle? Just saying. If we're doing a lock-in for like a couple of months, we may as well arm wrestle you two now. Nah, that's a fetish, 100%, Gareth. That's behind a paywall. What's your split? Push, pull, shoulders and abs, legs, rest, repeat. It's a pretty good split. It's actually a really nice split. Oi, Tom. 30-minute closing, mate. I'm in buys. Hopefully it plays out, Danny. This looks so clean. Problem is, it just had a big expansion upwards, but there's no reason for it to not really fill the range now. It's on a demo, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, well, you can't... If you're trading a demo, you have to... what's your fill? I'm not in. This is what we were looking for earlier. I should probably change it to like this now, basically. I reckon this would be a good play here. Stops below this low like that. If I was in... I mean, if we got everything printing, I would have been in, right? But unfortunately, I didn't. What did you say about the demo? If you're going to trade the demo... If you're going to trade on a demo account, you have to treat it like a real account. You can't trade a demo and say what you just said, like, it's on a demo, so it doesn't really matter. That defeats the point of trading on the demo. The point of trading on a demo is so that you learn the strategy well and, like, collect numbers and all that sort of shit. You can't just aimlessly trade on a demo, you know? I'm journaling and stuff? Okay, okay. All right, chat. Lock it in here. 1 minute and 44 seconds. If this 5-minute close is bullish, the 30-minute close is above this previous high here to the left, and then we make a bottom wick, I'll be in there like swimwear. Otherwise, no. Whoa. Because this could be very clean. Got a lot of room up towards the top of the range as well. Did we retest this level yet? No, we haven't. So I would want to see a retest of like 88. If I'm going to get buys, I would probably want to take a wick entry off of 88. But then that would be near the hourly flip. And I think we should fill the range. Especially the amount of liquidity we grabbed this morning, right? You swept like all the previous lows during Asian. And then every time you've done that in the past, you filled the range. I think we filled the range here, chat, to be truly honest. 48 seconds, lock it in. What am I going to need to see? I need to see a tap back into 88, really. Oh my days, we can go for like a fat Connie here. 30 bomb. 50 pip stops is super tight as well. I want to see if the trade copy is actually going to work as well. We're tapping into this area as well now. This is actually mad. Holy bottom wick. I'm gonna have a buy limit for if we retest this area here.
Order submitted.
And then I think I'll stack again if we come back down towards 88. All right, so chat, that's the order that I have placed right now. A buy limit, you know. For if we come down and tap into this area towards 89. Oh my days, it had to flip on us, eh? It had to flip on us. We were so close.
He's got edged, mate.
I think this fills the range. How's Tom's gold buy doing? He closed at like...
It was like only like $80 in profit.
He closed at like $80 profit, he says.
Just looking at it now, probably shouldn't have done that, but...
Chat, you broke the high. I'm deleting that limit. I'm done for the day,
Order
chat.
canceled.
Order cancelled. I know. Chat, it's tough, but it is what it is, man. This is gone. It closed respecting this level to the left. I would have taken the wick entry because that wick entry would have then been your advantage point being this flip here, right? Understanding we were already at the level. So basically, if you're taking a flip here, your advantage point is tiny, right? Because all it has to do is tap this and then rip back down, which it just did exactly as I showed you that, right? But if you take a wick entry, you can take it up to that point first before it makes that top wick, and that's your advantage point. So because actually we didn't get that, I can't take the flip because it does exactly what I just told you it's going to do by going ahead and actually filling, flipping, and then rejecting back down, you know? Chat. It's time for Geoguessr, man. Right, you have to help me out on this. Chat, it's time for Geoguessr. What a W first stream back, by the way. Absolutely killed it. 70 likes on the stream right now. Much love, much appreciation. I appreciate you all very, very much for that. I'm not trying to force a trade. I know I wanted to get... Well, we have this goal now to get X amount of funding and do X amount of whatever, but... Like, there's no way I'm going to force a trade here. What's NQ doing?
Tap the level again.
Holy skibs. It just ripped up after that 30-minute off NYSE. That's a big ripper. Yeah, okay, chat. So, Geoguessr time, man. Full TP here. Good shit, Danny. Bro, my PC's lagging. What the fuck? That's because I have 8 billion tabs open. Chat, join up on the Geoguessr, man. Join up. Loser of the Geoguessr has to drink a dark matter to forget your goofs. Right. Bigger stickers, lots of opportunity. I like it. These names are... Should we take pre before the gym or no?
I'm not gonna.
Gay.
I don't need pre.
You're Mr. Vagina.
I went through a period where
You went through a period?
I got like addicted.
Bro went through a period. That's... Trans confirmed.
No, in my like third year
Mad.
of uni, I was actually like addicted to pre. Like I couldn't function without it.
Third year of uni, he had his first period.
I'm never going back.
He's on his period. It's crazy.
It's period.
Right, I'm starting the game. Someone in there's called Market Maker. I thought you were the Market Maker. Oh, yeah, good, actually.
Come on, mate. You know where that is. That's obviously... I don't know. It's like somewhere Polandy.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. We'll stick it here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop pushing. You're pulling my chair back as well. I'm actually gonna punch you in the face in a
We
second.
can all have a pull and a push, man.
Can all pull a bat.
This can be anywhere.
This is your gaff right here, the little tin shed. It couldn't be anywhere though, could it? It's not like central London.
It's English.
It's Africa. Has to be Africa somewhere because it's in English. Nigeria maybe. Oh my days, bro. They don't speak English in India.
What?
That is absolute wang out. Wang half.
Yeah, I don't get that.
Oh man. This is English.
I was gonna say that's the UK.
600 meters though. We don't have signs like that.
Yeah, we do.
No, we don't.
Also,
We have feet.
We're
We have feet.
no, we're meters.
We have feet,
And
mate.
then like abroad is kilometers.
Yeah, are you retarded? Kilometers is meters. This is like...
Yeah, but we don't do km.
Oh, it could be like Jersey or somewhere, or France. Yeah, km is meters, you idiot. We use feet. On our road signs, it's like either 300 feet or a mile.
Stop talking to me about feet.
Penascosa Valle de Coa. Okay, I don't know what that means. Oh, this could be like, actually,
This is... I know where
I've
this
got an
is.
idea.
Nah.
I think it could be, where's the Canary Islands?
Nah, this is Croatia, mate.
Where's the Canary Islands? Why is my fucking thing lagging?
This is Croatia.
Why would it be Croatia? It was in fucking Spanish. It was actually Portuguese, but you're terrible.
Yeah, I'm
Croatia.
not a Geoguessr guy. I play real games, like life.
Oh,
W cheating.
Where even is that?
I didn't. Wait. I didn't
Where's
see-
Malta? Where's Malta?
It's near Spain, isn't it?
I don't know. Fuck!
Oh my god, that's pathetic.
We cheated and still lost.
Your shit.
I'll take a second place, chat. Holy, who's market maker? I can't believe I just cheated and still lost. That is crazy. Chat, that's it from the stream, man. Listen, have a great rest of your day. Hopefully you guys can catch something later on throughout the day. If you can't, oh my days, it ran without us. Yeah, nonetheless, chat, remember to stay disciplined, stay locked in, stay focused, all of the above. Have a great rest of your day. I'll be back same time tomorrow, chat, as always. Peace out, much love. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Goodbye.